Hi everyone, this is Kevamshi from ACD section and roll number is 209418047. So today I want to discuss about the Milliman's theorem for AC excitations. We also know this Milliman's theorem is also included in DC excitation. For now, we will discuss about the only for AC excitations. So coming to the statement of Milliman's theorem for AC networks, here you can see the statement. For AC networks, Milliman's theorem states that if n number of voltage sources V1, V2, V3 up to Vn having internal impedance indicated with Z1, Z2, Z3 up to n are connected in parallel across the load impedance ZL, then its arrangement may be replaced by single voltage source called V equivalent in series with equivalent impedance Z equivalents. Here you can see the diagram of a circuit which includes the voltage source series with its impedance, which are parallel to the many other voltage sources and impedance. Here you can see like V1, V2, V3 up to Vn are the voltage source, and Z1, Z2, Z3 up to Zn impedance. So, and you can show the resultant circuit which has the voltage equivalent source and impedance equivalent source, which says series with load resistance. So coming to the formula, Milliman's theorem for AC excitation, V equivalent is known by V1 into Y1 plus V2 into Y2 plus V3 into Y3 up to Vn into Yn, where Y is called as the admittance, and in denominator summation of the admittance in the circuit. And coming to the Z equivalence, 1 by summation of the all admittances. So here you can see Z1, Z2, Z3 and up to Z1 are called as impedance, and Y1, Y2, Y3 are denoted as for admittance. Here admittance is reciprocal to the impedance, which states that if admittance increases, impedance increases. This theorem is applicable only to solve the parallel branch with one impedance or resistance connected to the voltage or current source. This voltage source can be converted into current sources by transformation of sources. So it is only to solve the circuit which has the voltage source or current source which is connected in series with resistance. So in equivalent circuit we have only one equivalent voltage source and equivalent resistance or impedance which is series with the load resistance. So coming to the example for Milliman's theorem in AC networks, here you can see the circuit which has one voltage source 10 angle 0 degrees and one resistor 5 ohms and another resistor minus J3 ohm and another resistance 2 ohm, one inductor Z4 ohm and another voltage source has 20 angle 45 degrees. So let us see the solution for the above circuit. Here V1 from the above circuit, here you can see the voltage source as 10 angle 0 degrees and V2 equal to 20 angle 45 degrees and admittance as reciprocal of impedance equal to 1 by 5 equal 0.2 S. Here admittance is denoted as the units as S, means Siemens, and Y1 equal to 1 by Z2 equal to 1 by minus Z3 equal to 0.33 angle 90 degrees. So we have to calculate voltage equivalent source and admittance. So coming to the voltage equivalence from the formula, V1 Y1 plus V2 Y2 by Y1 plus Y2. From the above values we substitute in this equation, we get 10 angle 0 degrees into 0.2 plus 20 angle 45 degrees into 0.33 angle 90 degrees by 0.2 plus 0.33 90 degrees. Here these values are in the form of rectangular form. So coming to the after calculating, we get the voltage equation as voltage equivalence equal to 13.94 angle 60.97 degrees voltage. And coming to the impedance equivalence equal to 1 by y equivalence equal to 1 by 0.2 plus 0.33 angle 90 degrees equal to 2.59 angle minus 58.78 degrees ohm. Here phi equivalence is from the addition of each admittance called y1 plus y2, where y1 is 0.2s and y2 equal to 0.33 angle 90 degrees. And here you can see the equivalence circuit as voltage source 13.94 angle 60.97 volts and Z equivalence equal 2.59 angle minus 58.78 degrees ohm, and resistor 2 ohm and inductor J4 ohm. So this is the equivalent circuit which is formed from the above circuit. And coming to the current, we know the formulas V equal to I by R, and here R denotes the impedance. So I equal to, we have to calculate the current in AB branch. So V equivalent by Z equivalent plus 2 plus J4 equal to 13.94 angle 60.97 degrees from above value by 2.59 angle minus 58.78 plus 2 plus J4. Here 2 plus J4 is a rectangular form, and equivalent current equal 3.68 angle 32.79 degrees amperes. So current through branch AB is 33.68 angles 32.79 degrees ampere. So I think you understand about the Millimeter's theorem in AC excitation from these formulas and this statement. So here you can see the from this circuit we get the equivalent circuit as this, and the current in the branch of AB is 3.68 angle 32.7 degrees ampere. So I think you understand it. Thank you.